Love, life, and lessons from the past. Only at Dear Mags FM with DJ Chin. Dear Mags FM. Hello, Chin. A pleasant day to you and to all the avid listeners of this program. Gaya ng karamihan, isa din ako sa mga avid listeners mo. Noon pa man. Kung asa ka, didto pud me. The loyalty, grabe na. Chin, I just want to share my frustrations in life and how I overcame these challenges. Maybe others might relate with my story. What's life when we reach 25? For me lang, ha? Slightly crucial siya. I swear on that. Grabe. Family expectations, peers' expectations. So this is something I never asked myself before, nor have I ever prepared for. Maybe nabisi lang ako to help my family and achieve my goals. But yet, di ako prepared about life, midlife, crisis. O siya nga pala, just call me Scorpio. College graduate, working na rin. And yet, I felt I have something to fill in sa buhay ko. Parang career ata. Hindi ko pa kasi na-explore ang dream job ko. Maybe, Lord, bigyan next year. I believe in the power of manifestations. After I graduated from college, hindi naging mahirap sa akin ang paghanap ng trabaho. Knowing I have my credentials, plus universal raw ang program ko. I think so. Universal nga siya. Or just happened flexible and teachable type din ako. Also, idagdag na rin natin job experiences. And it was easy for me. Opportunities here, recommendations here, and all. Not to brag, but that's the perks of being me. Attitude is everything. Thanks me later. However, hindi ako ligtas sa mga ganito. Until one day, sa di inaasahang may life crisis pala. So this is what I want to share with you kanina sa aking intro. May job ka naman, may salary ka naman. Even my closest friends, ganun din pala sila. Guys, have you ever tried questioning your existence? O diba, sabi ko sa inyo, baka makaka-relate rin kayo sa story ko. There were times when I questioned why I'm here. What is my purpose in life? Minsan ako lang din sumasagot sa mga tanong ko. Likas sa akin ay kahiligan ko ang pagre-research. Anything that bothered me, I just typed it down and there was an answer for it. Chin, basically ako pala ay nakaranas na existential life crisis. Self-diagnosis lang to or self-claimed. Mga kamaks, triggered warning lang. If isa kayo sa mga nakaranas nito, please be mindful sa mga negative thoughts nyo. Baka kasi maaaring ikakapahamak nyo na. At dito napapasok ang stress, depression, and anxiety. Madalas, palagi akong tumatawag sa mga mental health crisis hotlines. At doon nakausap ko ang mga mental health personnel who are well-trained in their profession and expertise. Maganda dito, walang judgmental na tao. Iko-comfort ka nila at talagang makakalma ka dahil magaling sila sa mga ganitong karanasan sa buhay. O siya, maybe may iba sa inyo sasabihin niyo sa mga kamag-anak nyo, ka-office mates nyo, ang weak mo naman, ang OA mo naman. Guys, I mind you, if importante sa atin ang physical health, same with our mental health. Kaya alagaan natin ang ating mental health. Let me share this basic mental health awareness. So what is stress? Stress is like your body's way of reacting to any demand or pressure. It's a natural response, like when you feel threatened or have a lot to do. It can make you feel anxious, tensed, or overwhelmed. How about depression? It is like a dark cloud that hangs over you for a long time. It makes you feel sad, hopeless, and lose interest in things you used to enjoy. It can make it hard to do everything things or everyday things like getting out of bed or going to work. Lastly, anxiety. It is like your body's way of reacting to a perceived threat, even if there is no real danger. It makes you feel worried, nervous, and uneasy. It can make your heart race, your palms sweat, and your mind race with thoughts. All of these are 3 key points. Lahat tayo nakaranas na pala, but we tend to ignore it. Kaya ang iba, mas pinili na lang nila to end their own lives just to escape the pain. Hindi lahat ng PWD ay may saklay, bulag, bingi, at kung ano pang mga visible sa ating mga mata. Mas marami pala ang palakad-lakad na akala natin normal pa sila. Yun pala, nalulunod na sila sa mga karanasan nila sa buhay. And that's what we call mentally unstable. Now, as we are all facing the Christmas season, it's time to forgive, to love, and to forget the past. Knowing your stressors is essential for assessing why you're unhappy. This will help you understand why you are experiencing this. This is so awkward at my age now. Nganong ginapangitaan naman ko og asawa sa akong family. Haha. Pwede uyabsa. Kapoy naman na-explain sa akong part. Dagdag stress ko pa ito. Hindi ko talaga ma-imagine na darating din pala sa stage ng buhay ko ay hahanapan nila ako ng partner. E paano? Panganay ako. And it seems wala akong balak. Pero dapat yun daw na. Stress na talaga ako sa buhay. All I need now basta may work makagala. Bar sometimes. Haha. Hindi pa talaga nag-sink in sa akin about settling down. Mag-enjoy sa siguro ko. Maybe dating, yes, pwede pa. Minyo agad-agad, no for me. Chin, wala din naman kasing taon na hindi ako kinukuhang maging best man ng mga cousins ko. Lord, tagain na lang ko future partner who is hungry with success in all aspects of life. Pero ang totoo niyan kasi, I'm a proud member of LGBTQ community. Chini, average lang yun ko. In fact, some of my cousins sana sila na lang daw naging ako para magamit daw nila pang adaret. I had my ex-girlfriend, I had my ex-boyfriend. And none of them, as in, wala nang natira sa akin. That time, aminin ko, nagkasawaan na. Or ako ang nagsawa. Kasi immature pa about relationships. Not until my mama shared this to me. Nak, iba pa rin ang may uuwian kang family in the future. As simple as that. Period. And it makes sense. Hi. Alam kong marami sa atin kung anong mga challenges sa buhay. Sana piliin natin ang lumaban. To my mama, thank you for teaching me everything. I cannot promise you anything, but I will make you proud. Love ko kayo ni na papa at kayong lahat. The best talagang mag-comfort ang mama. Promise. You should try it too. And to myself, you're so brave this year. Thank you for choosing to win over your breakdowns. I'm so proud of you. Chin, thanks for reading this long letter of mine. Until here. And please play my requested songs. These songs are for myself. This is Me by The Greatest Showman. Story of My Life by One Direction. What Dreams Are Made by Brent Morgan. And Can You Feel the Love Tonight by Elton John. And this song is for my mama. Sa bawat pagluha mo, may nakatagong kwento. Sa bawat ngiti mo, may gustong sabihin ang puso mo. At sa likod ng iyong halakak at maging sa pagkabiko mo, may mensaheng nakabalot sa iyong pagkatao. At ang tanging nais mo lamang ay mapakinggan ang mga ito ng buong mundo. Dear Max FM with DJ Chini. Life has got all those twists and turns. Stand up for what you believe in. What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside of you. Dear Max FM with DJ Chini. Sabi nga nila, ang pagsusulat kapag masyado mong diniinan hanggang sa susunod na pahina ay nagmamarka. Katulad ng pagmamahal, kapag masyado mong ibinigay ang lahat, yung sakit na gawa ng nakaraan, dala pa rin hanggang kasalukuyan. Dear Max FM, you own your story and you are the author of your own book of life. Don't let others write your script, but let others hear your story and make them inspired. Kaya sumulat na, maging bahagi ng aming programa. Dear Max FM with DJ Chini tuwing Lunes hanggang Biyernes, 1:00 hanggang 3:00 ng hapon sa Max News FM, Sock Sargent. Love, life, and lessons from the past. Only at Dear Max FM with DJ Chini.